Namaskaram, welcome to Rangvarsha Sarees. Today we will be showcasing pure Khadi Pattu sarees, a traditionally weaved handloom saree with contrast color borders. All these sarees comes with complete gold zari weave motifs, and these sarees are perfect for temple wear, occasional wear and even for festivals kuda chaala bagunna sarees ivi manchi color combinations tho complete meeku zari weaving tho vastunna sarees, light weighted sarees, easily drape chesukochu, and all these sarees measures 5.5 meters in length. You get 80 to 90 centimeter blouse, and these sarees are pure Khadi Pattu sarees. All these sarees carry silk mark certification. So let's get into today's episode. Shop your favorite sarees from Rangvarsha. Just follow 4 simple steps. First one, take a screenshot of your saree pic and send to the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Second one, you can shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. Third one, you can directly visit to our store which is located in Kondapur, Botanical Garden Road, Hyderabad. And fourth one, you can book a video call slot. Me preferred time slot ki meer adigina varieties ni video call chesi chupistamu. Dani nunchi kuda you can pick your favorite saree. So one more way to get connected with Rangvarsha Sarees product is our Instagram channel. So don't forget to follow us for our regular updates. The first design for today, నేను రేప్ చేసుకున్న ప్యూర్ ఖాదీ పట్టు సారీ అండి. ఆ టొమాటో రెడ్ షేడెడ్ సారీ, బాడీ మొత్తం మనకి గోల్డ్ చెక్స్ వీవింగ్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. వన్ సైడ్ వీ హ్యావ్ అ స్మాల్ 2-inch గోల్డ్ జరీ వీవ్ బార్డర్. త్రూఅవుట్ ద బాడీ మనకి చెక్స్ ప్యాటర్న్ వీవింగ్ అనేది వస్తుంది. అండ్ ద సారీ ఈస్ హైలైటెడ్ విత్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ బార్డర్ అండి. సీ గ్రీన్ కలర్ బార్డర్, 10-inch బార్డర్, కంప్లీట్ చెక్స్ ప్యాటర్న్ వీవింగ్ అనేది బార్డర్కి ఉంటుంది. అండ్ వీ ఆల్సో హ్యావ్ అ టెంపుల్ వీవింగ్ ఫర్ ద బార్డర్ యాజ్ వెల్. అండ్ ఇది పళ్ళు. పళ్ళు ప్యాటర్న్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంటుంది. కంప్లీట్ చెక్స్ వీవింగ్ అనేది మనకి పళ్ళుకి వస్తుంది విత్ ఫినిష్ టాజిల్స్. సారీ క్యారీస్ అ కాంట్రాస్ట్ కలర్ బ్లౌజ్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ప్రైస్డ్ అట్ 4250 ఫ్రీ షిప్పింగ్. ఈ సారీ అండి, ఇట్స్ గంగా జమున ప్యాటర్న్ సారీ. బాడీ మొత్తం మనకి ప్యారెట్ గ్రీన్ బేస్ లో ఉంటుంది. కాంట్రాస్ట్ కలర్ పర్పుల్ కలర్ వన్ సైడ్ బార్డర్ అండ్ మస్టర్డ్ షేడ్ ది అదర్ సైడ్ బార్డర్. టెంపుల్ వీవ్ బార్డర్స్ అనేది బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద సారీకి ఉంటుంది. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పళ్ళు. So pallu is contrast mustard shade for which you have complete checks pattern weaving, and the blouse also comes in a similar color combination, and this is priced at 4250 free shipping. The next design, a maroon color Khadi Pattu saree with contrast mustard color checks pattern weaved border on one side. Body mottam manaki gold checks weaving anedi throughout the body manaku vastundi. And this is the pallu. So pallu anedi orange color base ki complete checks pattern weaving anedi pallu kostundi, and the blouse is also a contrast color blouse, and this is priced at 4250 free shipping. Peacock green shaded Khadi Pattu saree. The next pattern in Khadi Pattu andi, peacock green shade ki we have a contrast maroon color border, complete silver zari weaving anedi manaku border kostundi. Both sides we have 2-inch silver zari weave border. So this is the complete look of the saree, and this is the pallu. So pallu also comes with a similar color combination. Maroon base ki complete stripe pattern pallu. Peacock green, maroon and silver zari weaving anedi pallu kostundi. The saree carries a contrast color blouse priced at 4250 free shipping. Pure Khadi saree in royal blue shade. Manchi royal blue shade ki contrast maroon color lo ikat pattern weaved borders vastunnai. Body mottam we have yellow maroon color embroidered motifs throughout the body. 1-inch embroidered motifs anedi vastundi. Gold zari weave lines with madhyalo ikat pattern print anedi untundi, and this is the pallu. So pallu is a complete thread embroidered pallu. Maroon base ki we have royal blue, mustard, black color combination, thread embroidery for the pallu. The saree comes with the maroon color blouse, and this is priced at 4250 free shipping. A grey with purple color combination pure Khadi saree. This saree also comes with a complete self textured body. Both sides purple base ki ila temple pattern weaving untundi. We have a 2-inch zari weave border as well, and this is the pallu. So pallu again purple base మీద complete gold checks weaving అనేది పల్లుకి వస్తుంది. The saree comes with a contrast purple color blouse priced at 4250 free shipping. A maroon color Khadi Pattu saree. The next color combination, a deep maroon color saree with contrast mustard color temple pattern weave borders. Throughout the body kuda manaki ila green and mustard lo alternate red weaved embroidery anedi body ki vastundi, and this is the pallu. So pallu is a very different color combination. Maroon with sea green color combination, complete thread embroidered pallu anedi vastundi. The saree also carries a sea green color blouse priced at 4250 free shipping. A blue color khadi pattu saree which carries contrast purple color thread weave motifs running through the body. Both sides manaki purple base ki complete temple weave borders kuda vastunayi. Idi kuda very classy and traditional design andi khadi pattulo. Evergreen designs ivi and these sarees carry rich pallu, purple base ki complete gold zari weave motifs aithe pallu kostundi. The saree also comes with a purple color blouse priced at 4250 free shipping. A very different color combination andi, a sea green color pure khadi saree which carries contrast purple color zari weave motifs. Body mottam manaki stripe pattern weaving anedi vastundi, contrast purple base ki, and both sides we have the temple weaving and 1-inch gold zari weaving kuda untundi. Color combination very different color combination, and this is the pallu. So pallu is almost a meter on a purple base, complete chinna gold checks weaving anedi manaku pallu kostundi, and the saree comes with a contrast color blouse. This is also priced at 4250 free shipping. Purple color khadi saree which sarees green, white and manaki violet color lo complete thread embroidered booties vastunayi. Both sides again we have a 5-inch kaddi border, gold zari weave borders vastunayi. We also have a 3-inch mustard color temple pattern weave border matched with a green color thread weave pallu. So pallu lo we have annapakshi weaving, fish weaving, geometrical weaving, la different patterns of multicolor weaving anedi pallu kostundi, and we also have a green color blouse, and this is priced at 4250 free shipping. A pure khadi saree. This saree also comes with multicolor thread weave borders andi. Body is a self textured body, mustard, sky blue and purple color combination border anedi untundi. Chinna stripe pattern weaving kuda manaku border kostundi. So this is the complete look of the saree, and the saree carries a multicolor weave pallu kuda chaala classy ga untundi. Silver zari weave pallu, different color combination basis aithe manaku pallu kostundi. The blouse, it's a striped blouse, and this is priced at 4250 free shipping. A royal blue shaded pure khadi saree. This is a different color in the same design as the previous saree andi. Base royal blue vastundi, multicolor weave borders comes both the side of the saree manaki 10 inches ki ila multicolor weave borders vastunayi, and this is the pallu. Again a complete silver zari weave pattern for the pallu, multicolor zari woven pattern matched with a stripe pattern blouse priced at 4250 free shipping. A parrot green shaded pure khadi saree andi. The next pattern complete checks pattern weaving anedi untundi. Mustard and red color combination checks pattern weaving. Both sides ila manaki red base ki borders vastunayi. Both sides of the border carries gold zari weaving, and ila temple weaving kuda manaku border kuntundi. So this is the complete look of the saree. Nice parrot green shade, light parrot green shade ki maroon color lo weave borders, and this is the pallu. Again a contrast color pallu with complete thread weave motifs running throughout the body, and a stripe pattern blouse priced at 4250 free shipping. A parrot green with royal blue shaded checkered pattern pure khadi saree. This saree comes with complete checks pattern design andi. Body mottam checks design vastundi. Both sides purple color lo manaki temple weave borders vastunayi. It's a tri color saree, and idi pallu. Pallu pattern kuda chaala baaguntundi. Purple base ki complete gold zari weaving anedi pallu kostundi. The saree comes with a purple color stripe pattern blouse priced at 4250 free shipping. A checkered pattern khadi cotton saree which carries a checks pattern border as well. A maroon color saree with rani pink color border. Throughout the body manaki gold checks pattern weaving untundi, and this is the pallu. So pallu pattern manaki border lo unna same ade pattern pallu lo vastundi. The blouse is a contrast color blouse priced at 4250 free shipping. Moving on to the next design of khadi cotton andi. Idu vachi manaki complete floral weaving khadi cotton saree with plain borders, gadwal pattern borders vastunayi. A grey color saree, steel grey shaded saree ki maroon and gold zari weaving anedi throughout the body ki ila stripe pattern weaving anedi vastundi. Both sides plain borders vastunayi. A 10-inch border, maroon base ki one side silver zari weaving, other side gold zari weaving lo border anedi untundi. Idi pallu. So pallu pattern kuda maroon base ki gold and checks pattern weaving, silver and gold color weaving anedi pallu kostundi. Saree comes with the maroon color blouse priced at 4250 free shipping. So సో ప్యూర్ ఖాదీ సారీస్లో కంప్లీట్ ట్రెడిషనల్ వీవ్డ్ బార్డర్స్ అండ్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్లో ఈరోజు చూసామండి. ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ ప్రైస్డ్ ఓన్లీ at 4250 and all these sarees are pure silk mark certified sarees. So if you wish to place an order, send a screenshot to a WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Thank you and happy shopping.